Alright, just gotta add a few more lines right here. And done! It looks amazing! Someone's definitely gonna fall for it. Such a nice day out. Glad I went for a walk! How did that even happen? It's just a draw- Ah! What the? My drawing brought us to this place! Hi! Hello? Welcome! Wow. What is she even doing up there? Oh, right. I have students now. First up, I want to see you draw a unicorn, alright? Get to work. Ew, this toothbrush was just in her mouth. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Is this what I think it is? Yuck! Get this away from me! Well, I don't want it! Oh wait. It's actually giving me an idea! Time to get to work on my unicorn drawing. Gotta start with some colorful paint, of course. Rainbows are great for unicorns. Now I'm gonna use this toothbrush to make a mane pattern. Okay. I definitely don't need a toothbrush to plan my own picture. Using a marker. Okay, got the ears, the horn. He needs some eyes, of course. Oh, let me see how yours is doing. Ugh, yeesh. That's something alright. No, I'm so bad at drawing unicorns. Yikes. Well, better get back to my picture. Oh, I know. It's magic wand time. Ta-da! The rest of the unicorn has appeared. Ooh, I really like how this turned out. Yay me! Aw, yours turned out so pretty. Well, hey, we still have time to fix yours. I have an idea. I'll just press your paper against mine. Look, see? You have a duplicate now, too. Hey, miss! I think we're done with our pictures! Wow, girls! Those turned out great! I'm really impressed with both of you! Yes! We did it! And we both get prizes! Cheers! Okay, first challenge! I wonder what it is! Aw, what a cute puppy! Can we keep it? Okay, I can do this! I've seen artists do this. No idea why, but it looks good. It's quite small for a puppy. Wait, I know what to do. Huh? I've got a hand too. Big deal. Ah, I get it. This is easy. I'll trace around my hand. What are you doing? At least she's happy. I'll put my hand on the paper like this. Then draw around it. Now to make it look like a dog. Some fur, cute little eyes, and a nose. I'll add some color now. This is turning out well. Gotta stay in the lines. Almost finished. There! He's so adorable! I'm proud of that. I'll call him Lucky. That's actually quite good. I mean, I like mine, but… Wow. At least you tried. Who won? Yeah! Look! Something's happening! Biscuits! Yummy! It's shaped like a bone! Genius! I love the dog theme. I can't wait to try it. Hold on. Biscuits, bone, dog. Stop! They're not for you! Now these taste great! I need the recipe! Ooh, I wish you hadn't done that. What's up? These biscuits, they're for the puppy. Could you not have told me that? Serves you right. Hey, come here, boy. We have goodies. Come on. Aw, who's the best boy? You are? Yes, you are. You must be hungry after all that posing. You're such a clever puppy. On you go. It's for you. Ready for the next challenge? A cactus? You're going down. I doubt it. You are. Go! This should be easy. Gotta keep my energy up. Feel no stress. You're one with the pen. I nearly finished! Done at last! Phew! Spot the difference. It's hard, isn't it? What is that? Watch and learn. I'll drag the sponge down the paper. Then use smaller sponge for the limbs. Now for the flowers. All I need to do is add some details. I might frame this afterwards. What do you think? Well, they're both green. Don't give up the day job. This isn't even gonna be a contest. Wow! A cactus piñata! Think there's candy inside? Only one way to find out. I'll put on this blindfold. Okay, time to work out some tension. Did you say something? Where did she go? Hello? Meh. Her loss. What happened? Hey! Where did this candy come from? Ooh, this is exciting! A unicorn! This might be tricky. I'm going for the pens. I don't know. So many options. Paint. Or pens. Pens. I think this is the right choice. Okay, here goes. Oops! My pen slipped. Sorry. Oh, it slipped. Okay. You're so immature. Let me help improve your drawing. Don't you do that again. I warned you! I improved it! Oh, you missed a spot. I'll help you color it in. Gah! This is pointless! Take that! Quit it! Stop it! We could do this all day long. Take some more paper. Fine, but I'm facing this way. I'm gonna draw the best unicorn ever. Got it! U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Now I just need to join it up. I'll give it a nice hairstyle. Can't forget the legs. All I have to do now is color it in. Pink will be the perfect color. I think this will win. I wish I had a real unicorn. All that's left is the tail. Done! That was easy. Ta-da! Oh no! Here's my drawing. It's good. Well done. I wonder who won this round. Well, I'm shocked. Yes! What surprise! Please be a real unicorn. I can live with that. This won't do. Too small. Let me see. Aha! That looks so tasty. Maybe I could try a little piece. She won't notice. This is what I need. Stand back. This is about to get messy. You didn't! Sorry, I tripped and, landed on the cake! I saved you some! You're unbelievable! I offered. Hey, look! At last! A poppet! Wow! This is the best one yet! I need this to look amazing! First I'll draw a square. Then circles. I've got a better idea. Luckily, I keep this photocopier handy. Okay, Poppet, in you go. And press copy. I couldn't have done it any better. How you getting on? That's it! I just need to color it now. Ooh, this'll be fun. I'll put a line of red paint here. Now the rest. It's like a rainbow. It's just like a poppet. I want to press it. Good job. I think I might have won this one. No way! I did it! You've got to be kidding! Look at mine! Step away from the table, ma'am. Give me your hand. And the other one. Don't resist. Using a photocopier is not drawing. We take cheating very seriously here. Sorry? You think you know someone. Wow! A chocolate poppet! My two favorite things! Delicious! Okay, you're going downtown. Come on. Uh-oh. Whatever. Got a good feeling about this one. Well, that's disappointing. I thought this was a challenge. Okay, what should I use this time? Too big. Nah, I'm not feeling it. This is perfect. A pumpkin should be straightforward. It's an orange circle. I need to win this one. Okay, this'll do. I'll start with the sections, then the stem. Now to fill it in. A different shade and color will make it look good. I'm happy with that. What do you think? Hey, wake up! Hello? Yoo-hoo! Wake up! We're supposed to be drawing! I'm awake! What's going on? Oh right, the pumpkin. Great, time's up! This is the best I can do. You've got a little something on your cheek. Really? What? Aw, paint! It suits you. Yes! What's the prize? Pumpkin juice? This isn't nice. I feel funny. What's happening? Do I have a pumpkin for a head? Ah! At least you have a costume for next Halloween. I hate this game! Ah! My face! My beautiful face! It's back! Oh, sorry. I got a fright. I'm never drinking this again. Hey, keep it over there. Hey, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my gosh. It's got really long teeth. Oh no! It's getting a lot bigger. Haha, don't worry you two. It can't hurt ya. Well, that's a relief. But that's our cue for the next drawing challenge. Huh, okay, so we have the number 5 on our papers. I think I know what I can do with this. I just gotta start by adding lines to what's already there. Little squiggles down the back, an eye of course, and can't forget the teeth. Dinos need legs and arms too. He needs to walk around. Okay, time to add some color. I want him to look fearsome. Just a little bit more, and done! Yes! He looks great! Keep your eyes on your own paper this time. Hey! Ugh, come on. Can't you let me have even a little peek? Hey, wait a second. Pencils! These are definitely gonna help me with my problem. Okay, just need some tightening over here. Maybe another adjustment to this pencil. I made the erasers on the pencils into shapes. A heart on this one, and a star over on this one. Alright, let me flip this over so I can put these to work. Okay, back to my good old trusty marker. I need a sort of egg shape. And now for the erasers. I'll just dip them into the paint. Time to start dabbing. Alright, stop. Let's see your artwork, please. Well, here's mine, miss. I hope you like him. And here's mine. He hasn't hatched yet, though. What? I don't know if that counts. Oh, but yours is great. You're the winner. Me? Really? Yes! Thank you so much! I love these chips. But they're even better when shared with a friend. Besides, I thought your egg was really cute. Thank you. What the heck is going on with her now? I really don't get her. What's she doing with those towels? Hi, yeah, we're still here, remember us? Well, okay, fine then. Here, have this flamingo. Oh, a flamingo. Okay, this should be fun. I'm gonna go with my favorite method and trace my hand. Okay, good. Now to rotate my paper. This bird is gonna need a head for sure. And then of course his big beak. Okay, eye is done. Now for the wings. And can't forget his long legs. Now for the color. Can't have a flamingo with some pink. He's gonna be so pretty when I'm done. I just know it. Just keep coloring. Just keep coloring. Just a little bit more and done! Let me see. Gotta make sure to get the scale right. I'll just wing it. That was a pretty good pun, if I say so myself. Okay, he looks something like this, I think. Okay, sure, that's a flamingo, I guess. Phew. That refreshing bath was just what I needed. What do you got? Ew. What is that? Some sort of weird chicken? Aw. Yeah, sorry. I have to agree with her. Yours looks very nice, though. You win the flamingo challenge. Congrats! Yes! I won one all on my own. Listen, don't feel so sad. I'll share, of course. Here. Thanks. This does help me feel better. Oh, Mr. Kitty, you're my favorite. Yes, you are. Oh, right. The challenge. Draw Mr. Kitty, I guess. Oh, okay. I love drawing cats. I just love cats in general. It's gonna be great. What is she doing? Is she just writing the word cat? What? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna win this one for sure. Okay, time to use my kitty drawing skills. I'll start with a circle. Cats can be round, of course. Especially if he's a chonky boy. Where should I go from here? Time to turn my word into something even better. I'll start with this little face. Can't forget the whiskers, of course. Okay, head is done. A big long swoop for his back and his tail. So cute! Whoa! Good job! Let me see your kitty. Ta-da! Here's my finished kitty! And, well, I guess here's mine too. I got distracted. Oh, well, you can't win with unfinished art. So, the winner's obvious. Wow! I did it! Me and my kitty won another round! Yes! Cookies! I love cookies!